Okay, this technique for measuring the latitude and longitude of a navigation aid, we're going to use parallel rulers. So again, we're going to use the same navigation aid, which is the Chesapeake Light, and I'm going to line up my parallel rulers parallel with a reference line. So in this case, I'm using a parallel of latitude right down here. I'm going to use this parallel of latitude as the 3650 minute. And what I can do is I can go ahead and just make sure that my parallel rulers are parallel with the latitude line. Then I can just move my parallel up to the navigation aid. Here's my navigation aid. And this is the equivalent of drawing that line all the way across to the latitude scale. So I just make a small tick mark there. And as you can see, it goes right to the 0.3 that we measured before. So this is 36 degrees, 54 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 0.3. So 36 degrees, 54.3 minutes north. And when I want to do my longitude, I take my parallel rulers and I have them parallel, in this case with a meridian of longitude, and I'm picking the 75 degree 40 minute meridian. I make my parallel rulers parallel with that meridian. I walk it over to where the navigation aid is, and I'm careful that I just in the middle of the navigation aid with my pencil, and then I'm in the middle of the parallel rulers when I mark it right here. Down here I make my little tick mark. Again, I can read that off. It would be 75 degrees, 40, 41, 42, 0.8 minutes west. So we get the same answer whether we use the parallel rulers or the dividers. And what it's going to happen is you're going to have to use a combination of these two techniques, because depending on where you are in the chart, you need to go from the center of the chart to the edge. In this case, I'm lucky here. I'm at the edge of the chart, and it's very easy to get to the latitude and longitude scales. But again, we're going to use a combination of those two techniques to measure a position anywhere on the navigational chart.